Sikhuluma ke ngendlela yokusave namhlanje Msomi sikhuluma indaba ngeitokfela. Mhlambe maybe just to start us off in the conversation, why have itokfela been such a powerful tool yokusave la eMzansi?
Ngingathi number 1 ikhaya mthetho nawe DJ Sonic ama-stokfela asa remained as a powerful tool yokusave eMzansi because ipoint lokuqala they are built in a community kodwami so ke kuyihlelo lolo elikwazi ukuthi lwenze nihlangene nisemphakathini lapho nisuke nikhona or else nabantu osuke obazi, and it's also built in a trust and also a discipline. So ke many people find it easy ukuthi ke be save if ke nihlangene as a group while as abanye abantu kuba difficult ukuthi usave umuntu as ihambela as an individual. So ke sekube khona ke nezinye indlela ke zokusave kuhambisana namabhenki nolunye uhlobo, kube khona la kusekwa khona as families, kube khona la kusekwa khona for ama groceries, ama school fees, ama funeral, even for big events ango December ama expenses. So all this why ke ama stokvel they still become a part of our financial culture as ke South Africa noma ke eMzansi. So that is why asa remain as powerful.
Ngikhumbula ngaba umphathi mafa westokvel.
Yes,
imali ngangifihla ngaphansi kombhede.
Risk ne, high risk.
But it leads to my next question ukuthi ke how have itokfela ke evolve with the technology and abe modified now with financial systems?
Mfowethu esikhathini samanje DJ Sonic nawe ekhaya mthethwa technology has changed ama stokvel in a big way. Today many groups are using ama bank accounts so le yaphansi ko mandras sesadlula kuyona mfethu le igoqoqoqo o5 liters sesadlula kuyona. They even go wena Sonic bezobefika ekutheni kube khona ama mobile banking app kube khona even ama WhatsApp group for communicate nokuveza ama proof of payment ukuthi ke mina sengicontributile. Phinde ke kwazi ukuthi ngalawe technology bekwazi ukuyimanage kahle lento ye communication kuyidokfela zethu esisuke zenza. So ke ama stokvel they even use ama digital record keeping and ke ama investment platform to track their savings. This has made ama stokvels more transparent, safer and easier to manage compared to the past. So it's technology nje isidlale elikhulu iqhaza my brothers.
And how do I go about choosing the right stokvel, you know, in terms of, you know, just making sure that singenzile mhlambe due diligence yami ngichecka kanjani no le stokvel is one is right for me?
The thing number 1 khaya mthethwa nabalaleli besemakhaya, choose i-purpose ya stokvel because awufuni ukungena entweni ongayazi ukuthi ke inhloso yayo ikuphi. Kufana nokushada nomuntu, ukuthi ushada nomuntu awumazi yena ama dreams, amaphupho, ifiso zakho ukuthi ke zileleke. So that is the number 1 point ebalekile ukuthi ke understand the purpose ya stokvel ukuthi mhlambe is it for groceries, is it for saving or investing. And secondly make sure that the group has a clear rules and also ke ama trustworthy members. Wafuna ukuyifaka entweni enama rules azawuyacinzela ukuthi imali sesiyayihlukanisa manje lisayini benisaqhubeka or else utshela ukuthi imali sibolekisile izobuya inenzalo. So you must make sure ukuthi ke i-communication clear and ke trustworthy members enwafakile khona. A safe stokvel should also have i-bank account kube khona ama proper records. Ungavuma ungena entweni engenama records because itokfela iningi abantu babajoinisa abantu bethi lento lesesiqale 3 years back noma 2 years back. Kukancane ethi umuntu asesiqaleni now istokfela. So ke afuna ama record ukuthi ke lento ezinithi kade nayiqala kade niyenza iba successful. Show me the records, show me the proof ukuze ke nami ngikwazi ukujoina. So izona izinto lezo ezibalekile if you want to choose istokfela esoba right kwana.
Ngiyayithanda leno ndaba lokuthi yenze research ungasurprise kusuphakathi. Imagine Nyamboze udlala istokfela tiqiqise kuthiwa no phela fanele ubolekise ngemali yakho, uyabolekisa wena futhi obanda uyilande khona uzoba ne interest. Hayi ngiyakusula ke nje mina ngithanda ukuthi ngibeke istokfela ngibeke imali phela unyaka izinto yami kuphelile angiboleka ngilanda imali angeke. Coming back to the next question TPV2, can istokfela be used not only to save imali but also mhlawumbe be an investment or uyenze kube into yowakhe wealth?
Absolutely DJ Sonic. Many stokvels today are moving beyond just to save nje mfethu. Some groups investment abanye ba investor even kwi property as usho wena ukuthi lidlala istokfela seno senyama kade ngitshela nami la CEO ukuthi thina sineze imondo, sinezokwakha, khona ezamasodo, khona ezamateko. So abanye they invest kuma small businesses. Ethu umuntu ufuna uqala ibusiness, some they invest for uqala farming or even ke financial market mfethu. When members combined for their money mfethu they can access ama opportunities that might be difficult ukuthi ke uwa access as an individual. Esike khaya wena Sonic initiative le mali yena enicabanga ukuthenga ngayo inkomo if wena usawedwa oshintshile but if senikwazi ukushintsha mhlawumbe nibe bawu4 yazi leyo mali ningayithatha nigcine seniya kocela oxhaso nigcine thole leyo nkomo anisayithengeli ukuthi nizoyihlaba senithengele ukuqala isibaya esizozala ezinye inkomo ngcine seniba neplaza. So ke in between iyakwazi ukushintsha but ke ezingishilo ukuthi communication is very important. So ke ungabuki iside utheni mina sengiqale ngayicommit kulento in between isangashintsha but kuya depend ekutheni if no 5 obvious 60% should always win but I'm not ke saying ngike phuma manje uyoshintsha abanye umqondo
ngisafuna ukudla inyama ngoDecember ngendawo.
You know, we've been talking about all the positive things about Itokfela. Maybe let's go into some of izinto that might be risk factors that one needs to look into.
Sure. Yabona ke leyo inzima kakhulu ekhaya because okokuqala it's a lack of trust. Mangikhuluma lo ngikhulume njalo ngifaka I-trust ukuthi is very important. Bese okusibili i-risk ebakhona it's a poor record mfethu. Abanye abantu masebeyisendile imali it's very important ukuthi senda i-POP because masihlukanisa ngoDecember uzothiwa ayi ngeke Sonic uMarch noOctober awuvelwe awushayanga awenzanga kahle sokuthi wena imali wayikhipha but ukuthi iStokfela senu sinephuwa record keeping kuyakwazi ukuthi ke lokho kunihlukumeze mfethu. Sometimes ke mismanagement iyakwazi ukuthi ke infake kwi-risk if ke umuntu onmanagela ama-funds wenu noma imali yenu phecelezi leadership ayikho too responsible iyakwazi ke lokuthi ke kube i-risk kakhulu but ke esikhathini esiningi amanye ama-members sometimes bayafeyila ukuthi ke be-contribute consistently. Mhlawumbe sometimes uthi umuntu sekuba khona ukuphuka komlenze lokho kuyayilimaza iStokfela senu nama-disagreements lento leni thimi ngabe niyiqala nayicommit to a goal but if senihamba in between sekuba nama-disagreements abakhona lokho kwenza i-high risk iStokfela senu because abanye maseniphikisana omunye uzoduba egcine ethi hayi useyaphuma then ke lapho sesiba ke unsuccessful but ke ukuba ne-strong leadership nibe transparent is very important kwi-group zeStokfela.
Mhlawumbe silalele manje sineStokfela mhlawumbe futhi silalele manje ekhaya sesicabanga ukuqala iStokfela mhlawumbe what rules or ama structures should every Stokfela have to keep i-transparency nokuba fair nje kwiStokfela zethu?
Number 1 DJ Sonic ngingathi you must have a written constitution or agreement. Yonke into eniyenzayo ziqala nje sibekwa mayibhalwe phansi. Number 2 nibe ne clear contribution amounts and date. Ningathi nikhipha 500 but umunye ngenye inyanga ukhipha 300 ningayibekeli futhi ama date ahlukahlukene. You must all have should even ithiwa nonke mhlambe nihola ngama date angafani but akubeke ukuthi akuthi kushaya umhla ka30 everyone use contribute ingabe khona umuntu uzofaka ngomhla ka1 and ke okunye kubalekile a bank account instead of keeping cash asayifake ngaphansi kwamantrasi hambani kuyovula ibank account ama bank amaningi asiyakwazi ukunisiza to open i-bank account and also ke accurate financial records abalekile. Bese okunye kubaleke kakhulu ama regular meetings and reports they are very important. Yazi abantu abaningi ama meeting abawathandi but if usuyicommittee entweni yakho enemali involve abanye abantu you should include indaba yokuthi kumele nibe nama meeting ukuze nizo report ukuthi ke kusahamba kanjani are we all still in one page na bese ke at least 2 or 3 people overseeing the finances. Ningabeki umuntu oyi1 ukuthi uyena obhekeza izimali because eshaya ikhona kuyoba inkinga. Even nivule account akuhamba abantu at least 2 or 3 even more than that it is more than welcome.
And hey challenge lento kuba umgcine mafa
too much
ukhaya afika afaka imali bese zakwena eceleni esezoyiboleka athi awufethu usifakile nje cela ungiboleke
then if uwiki uzovuma but if ni 3 nizokwazi ukuthi ke lento le nisotha out kanjani even ke usumvumelile umuntu if nivumeni ba u3 esehluleka ukuyibuyisa imali nizokwazi ukukhava because in ba u3 but if uvume wedwa then usiyaflopa awumjida wami usiyaflopa nami kunzima ukukhavela then iStokfela sesiyonakala just like that. Sure.
TB, thank you so much for your time and we really appreciate it. Abantu uma befuna ukuqhubeka le conversation nawe bakuthola kanjani?
Kulula kakhulu ekhaya umthetho no DJ Sonic nabalaleli besemakhaya enkundleni zokuxhumana ngikhona nje ezothandazani TP Msomi. It could be Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn na ku Facebook. Ku WhatsApp ngiyatholakala futhi 0723181171 0723181171. Abantu abaqala iDokfela angakabi late if beningakaqali ngoJanuary nisangaqala namanje. start late than never.
The Midday Connection with DJ Sonic and Kai